Welcome to our roundup of the best impact drivers available right now. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional contractor, a reliable impact driver can make all the difference in speed, power, and precision. We've handpicked top-rated models that balance torque, control, and battery efficiency for every type of job. We'll break down key features like motor performance, battery runtime, variable speed, and comfort to help you choose the perfect impact driver for your toolkit. Don't forget to check the description below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the best one for your needs. The first on the list is the DeWalt DCF 887. This cordless impact driver is a powerhouse designed for heavy-duty tasks. Equipped with a brushless motor delivering up to 205 Nm of torque, it provides incredible fastening power while maintaining smooth control. The 3-speed settings allow you to adjust the output for different materials, making it ideal for both delicate screw work and tough construction applications. At just 1.56 kilograms, it's lightweight yet built with a durable magnesium gearbox, housing that withstands years of use. The precision drive mode minimizes screw stripping and material damage, ensuring professional-grade results every time. An ergonomic grip and compact 5.3-inch design make it easy to handle even in tight spaces. The triple LED light ring illuminates dark work areas without casting shadows, improving visibility when working indoors or in low-light conditions. Overall, the DeWalt DCF 887 is an exceptional blend of power, precision, and durability, making it one of the most trusted choices for both professionals and serious DIYers. Next up is the Makita DT173. Compact yet incredibly capable, this impact driver is engineered for top-tier performance and control. It delivers 180 Nm of torque and a variable speed range of up to 3,600 revolutions per minute, giving you flexibility for a wide variety of fastening tasks. One of its standout features is the quick shift mode, which uses electronic controls to reduce screw cam out and improve driving accuracy. This makes it perfect for both delicate and high-torque applications. The brushless motor is energy efficient and extends battery life, while the dual LED lighting ensures excellent visibility in all conditions. Makita's advanced electronic controls automatically adjust speed and power to match the task, maximizing precision. The DT173 also includes 4 assist modes: wood, bolt, tightening, and self-tapping screw settings, so you can easily adapt to any project. Overall, the Makita DT173 is an excellent choice for anyone who needs a lightweight, smart, and reliable impact driver with professional-grade torque and speed. Next, we have the WRX Cordless Impact Screwdriver. This model is designed for convenience and everyday versatility. Powered by a 20-volt lithium-ion battery, it delivers consistent torque output for drilling, fastening, and screw driving across various materials. The variable speed trigger allows precise control, from gentle starts to full power when needed. A built-in LED light improves accuracy in dim areas, while the ergonomic handle ensures a solid and comfortable grip during longer tasks. The WRX design emphasizes ease of use, with quick bit changes and a lightweight construction that minimizes wrist strain. The electronic brake system instantly stops rotation when the trigger is released, adding to user safety and control. Overall, the WRX Cordless Impact Screwdriver delivers a great balance of comfort, usability, and dependable power for daily tasks at an affordable price. Next is the Electric Goddess Impact Screwdriver. Built with a focus on efficiency and modern design, this electric driver offers dual speed settings that let users switch between low and high torque depending on the task. Its ergonomic, anti-slip handle ensures a comfortable and secure hold, even during extended work sessions. The high-torque brushless motor enhances both speed and energy efficiency, providing longer runtime and less maintenance. The compact design makes it easy to maneuver in confined spaces, while the integrated LED light and battery indicator ensure optimal visibility and awareness. Designed for versatility, it performs well in woodworking, metal fastening, and automotive tasks. Overall, the Electric Goddess Impact Screwdriver is a dependable, ergonomic tool offering reliable torque performance and user-friendly design, ideal for both hobbyists and professionals seeking balance and value. The last one on our list is the Onevin Electric Impact Screwdriver. This model combines portability and strength, making it perfect for both light household use and heavy-duty fastening. It's equipped with a powerful motor producing up to 280 Nm of torque, giving it excellent performance for drilling into wood, metal, or concrete. The stepless variable speed control lets users fine-tune power output for different materials, while the all-copper motor ensures longer life and stable power delivery. The aluminum alloy housing keeps it lightweight yet rugged, capable of withstanding frequent use. LED lighting improves visibility, and the quick-release chuck allows instant bit changes. The ergonomic handle design minimizes hand fatigue, even during prolonged sessions. Overall, the 1-VIN Impact screwdriver offers outstanding torque, durability, and value, making it a great all-rounder for users who need reliability across multiple job types. So that wraps up our list of the best impact drivers available today. If this video helped you choose your next tool, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more detailed product reviews and gear guides. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay productive and build smart.